Okay guys, we're going to just test out this Makita impact drill. This is the LXT. So straight in, no messing. Going to try another one. The good thing about this is it's got a good job light on it, so you want to be rattling around looking for screws. So let's go for that. You can see how, like, even in the dark here, it just illuminates everything. Got this adapter as well for it. It just holds on the screws like no one's business. It's like twice as magnetic. So we've got one there. I'll pop that in. Right, okay. Flashback on. Right, so that one and that one solid. Great piece of kit. Get that adapter as well, guys. That's absolutely totally essential. Because it's like, and you get like a number of bits. I think I did a video on it actually, but I didn't do anything I was actually working on. And that's what you get with it. Great piece of kit. You just pop it open like that. And you just go and get your little bits, pop them in the end. That comes out. You got a few there. Again, the only thing that's missing is a flat-headed one, but yeah, $12.99 from Power Tools. That one, powertools.co.uk. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. Oh, we love our Makita, don't we?